In this tutorial, I will show you how to create groups on Instagram. Whether you want to connect with friends, family, or colleagues in a more private and intimate setting, this tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step approach to make groups on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the direct message icon, paper airplane icon, in the top right corner of the screen. In the direct message screen, tap on the new message icon in the top right corner. Start typing the names or usernames of the people you want to add to the group. Add at least 2 persons to create a group. Instagram will suggest matching contacts from your list. Once you have added all the desired members, tap on the Create Group Chat button. Enter a group name in the Group Name field. To start the chat, type your message in the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Send button to send your message to the group. Additional tips: customize group profile picture. You can change the group profile picture by tapping on the camera icon next to the group name. Add more members. Later, you can add more members to the group at any time by tapping on the Add People icon in the group chat. Mute group notifications. If you want to mute notifications for a specific group, tap on the group name in the direct message screen and select Mute Notifications. Congratulations! You have successfully created a group on Instagram. Now you can enjoy private and focused conversations with your friends, family, or colleagues. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.